So are you looking to make money from home? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you a tool and a trick to make up to $500 per day from the comfort of your own home. Super excited to bring this video to you guys. My name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles. And on this channel, guys, I teach people how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing. But I have a ton of videos on how to grow your YouTube channel, how to start an online business, and of course, affiliate marketing. So guys, I'm going to be coming out with videos almost every single day, guys. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and let's go to move forward. And I do want to tell you guys, at the end of this video, I'm going to give you guys a bonus to make even more money. And this is actually, at the end of the video, I'll show you how I quit my job and I was able to do all that. But let's get into the actual video and let me show you this really cool tool. All right, so the tool we're going to be using is called SpinBot, okay? So if you go to spinbot.com, you can actually go to this tool and it'll literally rewrite articles for you, okay? And I'm going to show you why we're using this tool and how we actually make the money. And I'm going to give you guys 4 websites that are going to make you money, okay? So what this tool does, like I said, it rewrites articles for you, okay? So if we go to this article here in Forbes.com, okay? And we can literally take, I'm just taking this random article here, okay? I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna copy this here, the first couple paragraphs. I'm gonna go to spinbot.com. I'm gonna rewrite this, and basically what this software does, guys, is it rewrites the whole article for you. Okay, so I'm gonna take this a paragraph at a time. I'm gonna go ahead and hit "I'm not a robot," and then if we hit go, it's gonna literally just rewrite the article for you. Okay, so you can see here. The original is for many people, making money online would be an absolute dream come true. And then you can see here, for some individuals, bringing in cash online would be a flat out blessing from heaven. So literally rewrite your whole article, guys. Really, really cool. Now, I know what you're asking. How am I going to make money? How can we use this tool? Well, I'm going to show you 4 websites, guys, from the lowest paying to the highest paying, how you can start making some really good income with this, okay? And guys, remember, stick till the end of the video. I'm going to give you guys a really, really cool bonus on how you can make even more money and automate the whole system for you, okay? All right, so the first website, guys, is strongwhispers.com, okay? So they actually pay you to write articles for them, okay? So you can see here, they suggest a topic, you send them an article, and you get paid, okay? So you can see here, there's so you can see $50 per article published, okay? So, you know, if you do, depending on, you know, literally, I mean, you can rewrite this article here, and I mean, with the software, you can probably rewrite it in a few minutes, right? So, you know, if you can send them 10 articles, that's $500 just with this program, okay? Now, this one is the lowest paying, guys. I'm going to go from lowest to highest. The next one is actually a lot higher paying. This one is called Linkable. So link and then /able.com, okay? So you can see here, they basically pay you to write articles for them as well. Let me get rid of this bot right here. Give me 1 second. But yeah, these guys will basically pay you to write articles, okay? So obviously you can go to SpinBot, rewrite the articles, send them in, and you can see that you're going to make on the low end $150 and on the higher end up to $1,000, okay? And then typically on average, you're going to make about $300 to $400, as you can see here, okay? So this is a great website, guys. Let me show you the third website, and the third one is people per hour, okay? So you can see here on the higher end here, you know, people are paying up to $1,300 to write articles, okay? Some really high-end articles here, and, you know, they go on the lower end. If we go to like page 3, you know, it goes to like $400 or $500. So, I mean, it really depends on how long the article is and stuff like that, but you can see that here, okay? So this is people per hour. This is similar. It's like a freelancing website, but it's gaining in popularity, so this is a great place to get started. You do have to create an account to become basically a freelancer, and then you can put your articles on here, okay? So that's the third website. The last one, guys, is Fiverr.com. This one's the most trusted one. I use this for my business. I actually hire out people to do articles for me. But you can see here, some of them are like $125, $30. So there's some lower end. There's some $300 ones. Obviously, you know, it really depends on the type of quality that you can provide, right? But obviously, if you're getting the articles from like a Forbes and just rewriting it and changing it up so it's not plagiarism, sorry. Basically, you can start making money by rewriting articles, okay? So really, really cool, guys. You can make a ton of money from home doing this. And I know what you're asking. I mean, this may, I mean, obviously you're still trading time for money. But what I do, guys, I want to talk to you guys about how I automate my system and how I make money passively. Okay, this is how you truly make money, because this is a great way to build income. If you don't have a particular system, if you don't have any money coming in, this is a great way to start making money online. But what you want to do, guys, is create a business, okay? Create a passive income business. And what I do, guys, is called affiliate marketing, okay? So let me explain more what I do, okay? I started my YouTube channel in May 2019, and basically I was able to quit my job in like literally 9 months later, March. So I've only been doing this full-time only for a month. Today is April 2nd. So I've only been doing this full-time for a month. And guys, I was able to basically start a passive income business from nothing, okay? And what I did, as far as full-time job is I did electrical engineering. I just didn't like it. Honestly, I was making a lot of money. I hated doing it, and I wanted to start a business online. So what I started doing was affiliate marketing, meaning I sold other people's products, okay? So I want to show you a program that I promote here. This is the main program that I make money with. Of course, I have a lot of other systems that make me money, but this is the main one I recommend for you if you're just starting out, if you're looking to put your money into a passive income system, because what they do is they teach you how to start an online business as a complete beginner. If you have no idea how to get started, they teach you how to start a business, okay? So not only can you make money from the actual system itself, but they teach you how to make money, in other systems and other areas and other networks, okay? So yeah, this is obviously, how much I've made you can see in the past 30 days, I've done, $1,700, which is not a ton of money, but they teach you how to make money in other networks, other platforms. So what it is, it's a 15-day challenge. They take you through, and I want to show you exactly what this is here. And they basically go through 15 days of how to start your first online business. They go through all the secrets, all the tactics, all the strategy. And that's basically what you want to do, guys, because, starting out, if you don't have any money, I always recommend trading your time for money, right? So like a job, right? That's basically what we're doing with using a tool like SpinBot, where we're still trading our time for money. And it's a great way to build income, right? But what you want to do at the end of the day is put your money into a passive income system or stream so you can make money passively while you're sleeping, while you're traveling, while you're with your family, stuff like that. So this is what I really recommend, guys, is going through an education like a Legendary Marketer, this is going to be, guys, in the link below. The first link is going to teach you how to start that online business, how to get your first business going. And guys, like I said, I started my channel in May of 2019. I'll actually show you when I started my channel. If you're new to my channel, basically I started my channel in May 2019. I was able to quit in March 2020. So, not very long. I'm not saying that you're going to quit that fast. Some people may take longer, but what I'm saying is it's possible. I worked as an electrical engineer. I hated my job, and basically I was able to leave the 9-to-5 job, start my YouTube channel, start my passive income business, and now I get paid for basically creating YouTube videos and recommending products, guys. And that's basically what I want to help you with, okay? I just want to show you here in the last 365 days here of starting my channel that it does start slow, right? You can see here I started in May. It starts really, really slow, and then it gradually gets bigger and bigger and bigger. And so that's basically my journey. I haven't even been doing this a full year, and I was able to quit my 9-to-5 job. So I want to help you guys in what you're trying to do. If you need to build income, guys, use tools like spinbot.com. Go find the work on these websites that I showed you, okay? Strongwhispers.com, linkable.com. People per hour, Fiverr. Start getting that income and then putting it back into yourself. Don't just spend that money, right? The goal is to put it back into a passive income stream, into a course that's going to teach you how to do it passively. So this course is going to be linked in the description below, guys. It's only $7 to get started. They take you through a 15-day challenge. Highly, highly recommend it, okay? Anyways, guys, I hope this video was of value. Subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be coming out with videos almost every single day. So we'll talk soon, and God bless.